my name is Teacher Jenny, and today I will guide you through our learning path. The learning path is the first thing that you will see in our app. You can see the unit your child is currently in at the top, and the subunit is on the left-hand side. We currently have 3 levels. It is important that your child completes each level in order. In each class, your child will learn through games, songs, and develop their speaking skills with our AI buddies. You can even check out the curriculum for each level by going to the Parents Dashboard. In the Parents Dashboard, you will also be able to check on your child's progress by listening to their recordings. You can also set your learning time for each day and limit your child's screen time. When your child's screen time is up, the screen will automatically lock. In case you have any questions, you can contact us anytime using the chat box. It's located in the top left icon of the Learning Path dashboard. That is all about our learning path. You can also find more information about our curriculum on our website or contact us at any time. Bye-bye!